afternoon na ba?
Yes, tumingin ako sa relo ko.
Ang dami.
Just to be sure.
You know, Chef, gastronomy is big, ah. Si Secretary Frasco, push ng push gastronomy. So that's your area.
Oo,
I believe...
ngayong hapon, gugutumin ko kayo.
Okay, sige. Take it away. Chef RB, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello, hello. My gosh, ang dami po ninyo. But before I start, taas nga po ang kamay ng subscriber ko sa YouTube. Oh wow, madami. Pero madami ding hindi nagtaas ng kamay. Ibig sabihin po, mukhang madadagdagan ang mga subscribers ko today. Tama po ba? Okay. So sa mga hindi pa po masyadong nakakakilala sa akin, my name is Chef RV Manabat. I'm a YouTuber, I'm a restaurateur, and 9 years old pa lang po ako, nagluluto na po ako. Mahuhulaan nyo kaya kung anong una kong niluto, nandito na po pala. When I was 9, I cooked hot dogs, pero inadobo ko po. Kasi po, siguro maraming makakarelate, nung mga bata po tayo, medyo takot po tayong humawak ng hilaw na karne. O at least ako po. So, my nanay assisted me in the kitchen. My nanay Rose is an amazing cook and a big influence on my love for food. She cooked for us every day, and I was right there assisting her. Tagalagay ng asin, and sa mga nakapanood po ng leche flan videos namin, tagahalo po ako ng leche flan. Papagalitan niya po ako pag napasobra sa halo kasi magkakaroon ng bula. Hindi daw po magiging smooth ang leche flan. As I got older, my little kitchen hobby turned into a serious passion. I started to appreciate the art of cooking, and before I knew it, I was set on becoming a professional chef. Even though everyone in the family enjoyed cooking, I was the one who decided to turn that passion into a profession. I'm a visual learner who thrives on exploration. I've attended several trainings here and abroad, but you know what? The most valuable lessons I've learned go beyond the four walls of any kitchen. The enticing aromas of street food. And nung papunta po kami dito, naalala ko, ang isa sa pinakamasarap na maruya na natikman ko, nandyan po sa Baclaran. Nung nag-pandemic, nawala po yung nagtitinda. Hanggang ngayon, hinahanap ko po siya. The fascinating stories of market vendors, the dedication of our local farmers as they harvest fresh produce, and the comforting taste of home-cooked foods sa karinderya, sa turo-turo, at syempre, ang mga regional delicacies from all corners of our beautiful country. Learning all these things inspired me to start something more than just a business. It became my passion and advocacy. Medyo gugutumin ko po kayo. Alam ko tanghalian po. Let me take you back to the summer of 2016. We were welcomed with an appetizing smoke as we walked into the bustling Manokan country of Bacolod City. Familiar naman po tayo lahat doon. Known for its mouth-watering inasal dishes served by long-standing eateries, ang hirap po pumili kung saan kami kakain ng inasal dahil tabi-tabi po sila doon. So we ended up going to Aidas, one of the most popular inasal eateries in Bacolod. Pagkaupo, umorder agad ako. Isa pong pitso, isang garlic rice, at isang kilong pinakuloang oysters, steamed oysters. As I savor my meal, naubos na yung kanin, umorder pa ako ng isa. Binuhusan ko ng annatto oil, chicken oil. It was a very memorable dining experience, so pleasurable that I would happily return to the City of Smiles just to have it again. After that beautiful dinner, naumay kami. So kailangan namin ng dessert. Nag-jeep po kami papunta sa Lacson Street in Bacolod para maghanap ng kakainan ng dessert. So, we ended up at Kalea, a charming cake shop. We were greeted by a display of beautiful cakes. And para hindi na po kami mahirapan sa pagpili ng cakes, sinabi po namin sa server, okay, give us a slice of everything. Tinikman po namin. Ang sarap. Lasang homemade. Lasang nasa sugar capital of the Philippines ka talaga. And pagkaubos namin ng desserts, lumabas na kami para tumawid doon sa kabilang cake shop. Pagkatapos po namin magpakabusog, sinabi po sa akin ng Ilongga friend ko, you know what? Buti na lang, dinala ka namin dito. Kasi alam mo, hindi mo masasabing nagpunta ka ng Bacolod kung hindi ka nag-take out or kung hindi ka kumain sa isa sa mga ipinagmamalaki naming mga dessert shops. Her words stuck with me, and looking back on that trip, I felt inspired to bring something special to my hometown of Biñan. Sino po dito ang taga Laguna? Laguna represent. A place that would be unique, offering food products that would excite visitors and showcase the best of our town. In 2017, I opened Chef RV Cafe with a dream of making it a local treasure that would boost tourism in Biñan. We started small, serving cakes, pastries, and coffee to our fellow Biñanienses. But soon, customers wanted more. So from a small cake shop, naging full-blast restaurant po kami. Our signature dish, the Bibingka Galapong, features local ingredients, salted eggs from Victoria, Laguna, and ube from San Pablo City. When the pandemic hit 4 years ago, we had to shift to takeout only. Katulad ng maraming mga negosyo, marami po kaming pagsubok na pinagdaanan. 50 po ang staff ko noon. Saan ko po sila dadalhin? So what I did, I trained them to become bakers. Kasi nung pandemic, di ba po, lumakas po ang mga take-out. Aminin nyo, lahat po tayo na humaling sa ube cheese pandesal at ube donuts, cheese donuts. This decision allowed us to expand our offerings of cakes and pastries, meeting demands all over the South, and hanggang North Luzon po, nagkaroon po kami ng mga customers. Today, we continue to primarily operate through takeout only and have expanded our menu to include pasalubong items and specialties discovered during my local travels. Meron na po kami ngayong ginataang hipon from Pila, Laguna, garlic longganisa from Quezon Province, uraro from Marinduque, at kung ano-ano pa. Starting a business isn't easy. It's far from a piece of cake. Whatever path you choose to take will require tibay ng loob, a lot of tibay ng loob. We've got to face challenges with courage and keep a positive attitude. You know, every obstacle is actually a hidden opportunity waiting to be discovered. We just need to think outside the box, get creative, and stay committed to turning setbacks into stepping stones toward success. It was also during the pandemic when I started creating online content to help fellow Filipinos generate income by sharing recipes and tips for creating and selling quality products. In my content, I always tell my viewers, doon ka kung saan ka masaya. Kung namamahalan ka sa isang ingredient, paltan mo ng mas mura para masaya ka at masaya yung mga customers mo. Then 2 years ago, I started sharing my travels on my content, highlighting dishes that inspire me from various regions. Inubarang manok from the province of Aklan, paniyalam from Basilan province, blue crabs from Negros, at kung ano-ano pa. To me, food is more than just a taste. It's a doorway to understanding and appreciating local cultures whenever I go. Each dish tells a story, carrying with heritage, traditions, and flavors of its origins. Through my content, I hope to inspire others to embrace our diverse food heritage and celebrate the cultural richness found in every meal. As mentioned, good food always shares the story of a place. Let's be honest, kaya tayo bumabalik sa isang lugar dahil sa masarap na pagkain. And sa totoo lang, sa loob po ng 3 linggo ay magiging happy ang mga taga Batangas dito. 4 na beses po akong nagpabalik-balik ng Batangas para lang sa napakasarap na halo-halo from Padre Garcia and sa bagong lutong Bonete. Our country is bursting with delicious cuisine and fascinating tales waiting to be discovered and shared. That's why to all business owners, sa mga kabataan, sa inyo pong lahat, explore the flavors of the Philippines. Yung iba sasabihin, Chef, mahal po ang pamasahe, mahal po ang hotel. Well, ang sagot ko dyan, start where you are right now. Discover your own barangays. Discover your own towns. Ano ba ang specialties dyan sa lugar ninyo? Ano ba ang nakikita sa palengke ninyo na hindi nakikita sa palengke ng iba? And even if you cannot travel right now, read some travel books. Watch travel vlogs. Watch my vlog. Mag-subscribe po kayo. The Philippines offers incredible places, stunning scenery, warm-hearted people, and of course, amazing food. As a proud Filipino, I am dedicated to continuing my journey of discovering and promoting our culture through food. Remember, they say the way to someone's heart is through their stomach. With our incredible cuisine, we can surely win the hearts of everyone. Talagang maipagmamalaki at talagang babalik-balikan ang ating pagkain. Mabuhay po ang pagkaing Pinoy, mabuhay ang turismo ng Pilipinas. Love the Philippines.
Thank you very, very much, Chef Harvey!
Oh,
Chef
thank
Harvey Manabat,
you.
ladies and gentlemen. Again, na-inspire sana kayo. I've been hearing throughout your talk,
Yes,
you've been
yes.
encouraging everybody magsimula.
Yes,
Diba?
ngayon. Magsimula na ngayon.
Especially-
After this show.
Kasi especially nga, there is this push to increase gastronomy offerings
Yes.
para ma-push ang ating Philippine tourism. Pero, back to basics, ano ang ang unang takot usually ng isang entrepreneur when it comes to a food business? And how can you address it?
Well, syempre yung investment, yung unang takot eh.
So it's really-
Pupuntahan ba ako ng tao?
So how do you overcome?
Well, ako kasi, kailangan win-win situation yan eh. Hindi lang dapat ikaw ang mag-win. Dapat pati customers mo, the local community, mananalo sa kung ano man ang sisimulan mo. So yun yung ginawa namin. Nagsimula ako ng cake shop, maliit na cafe, not just for myself, but for the community.
And at least with that, kung hindi ka lang mag-isa, mas may courage kayo na i-alok sa
Yes.
iba.
Very true. Kasi ngayon, yung bibingka po namin and all our products, hindi ko na po kailangan gumastos pa ng mga advertisements.
Sila
Yung
na
mga
magpo-post.
taga-binya na mismo na, oy, hindi ka nakarating ng binyan kung wala kang bit-bit niyan palabas.
So let's start with that. And I think I like that tip na again, hindi porket ikaw yung nagsisimula, mag-isa ka. Let's embrace the sense of community and get to know your neighbors. 'Di ba? Baka mamaya yun pa yung edge ninyo.
Very true.
Thank you so much for that. Again, Chef RV Manabat, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Chef RV.